active to passive voice, and we have discussed past tense and present tense. Past tense, that is past indefinite, and present tense is that present indefinite and present perfect tense. Okay, and next one we will discuss about the continuous tense. For example, one sentence. Our teacher is telling the story. So this is the passive voice. We have to do it. This sentence is completely of this tense is present continuous tense. But how and why? Why it is called present continuous tense? So the name is that this one is subject. Our teacher, this one is subject. Next one is. So we know that is, that is am, is, are. Am, is, are. Next one, this one is the present form of the verb, and next one is ing form. Still is the present form and ing form is added here. We know that add, what is add? For example, you are making the something food and you are adding sugar, water, so then you are shaking. Okay, so do you know what is shaking? For example, there is a tree, mango tree. What is mango tree? What is the meaning of the mango tree? Mango tree, T-R-E-E. You are right. So there is a very green mango, no, yellow mango, or ripe. Do you know what is ripe mango? Ripe. You understand? And ripe mango. What is the meaning? Ripe mango. Yes? Tell yellow mango. No, I am saying that ripe mango. Ripe mango. What is the meaning of the mango? You're right. So you're right. I am saying that this is what the ripe mango of the tree, and you are capturing the tree and shaking. What is the meaning of the shaking? You're right. So I am saying that. So when the tree is full of mangoes, and one mango is yellow, that is ripe mango, and you are shaking the branches of the mango tree, and then fall down the mango, and you are taking. So what happened? I am saying that this is the present form of the verb. Okay, and we are adding ing. So you are adding something. Do you know what is the meaning of the add? What is the meaning of the add? Add equal to plus. What is the meaning of the plus? No, what is the meaning of the plus or add? You are right. So I am saying that you are adding something. Where in this case? This is the present form of the verb. This is the present form of the verb. You know that what are the form of the verbs? Present form, past participle form. Like how many forms are there? You know that present. We called it V1. Next one is past. That is called V2. And another name is past participle. So again and again. Now this one is the past participle form. Again and again I am telling about this form, because without these forms you cannot make this sentence. You cannot give the answer. For example, I am asking, what is your name?
My name is Falguni.
Okay, so if I don't ask the question, she cannot give me the answer. You understand? So if you don't know, do you know what is the meaning of the no?
Jana.
You're right. If you don't know this form, you cannot make this sentence. You cannot give the answer. You understand? So I am trying to explain it very simple language. So you have to know. Do you know what is the meaning of the have to? Have to. Do you know what is the meaning of the must? What is the meaning of the must? You have to do it. You have to must do it. For example, eating. I cannot live without eating. So I have to eat. I must eat. Do you understand what is the meaning of the must? No. This is fundamental. It is emergency. For example, if I want to write here, I need the board. So I need this board must. What is the meaning of the must? No. This is breakdown. For example, I am breaking this chalk and fold out this. You know that this is breakdown.
Break মানে তো ভাঙা।
You are right. But I am saying that must. Okay. You are hungry. You need food. So you must need food. What is the meaning of this sentence? Okay. Another thing that there is a this is the room. Okay. The bricks are essential. Without the bricks, we cannot make the house. So we must need bricks. So what is the meaning of this must? Do you know what is compulsory? Compulsory subject and optional subject. Compulsory. For example, English is must. English is compulsory. English is essential. And agriculture subject. This is your optional subject. So what is the meaning of in your SSC level? That is optional subject. This is not essential, but you have to. But English, Maths, these subjects are compulsory. What is the meaning of the compulsory? That is must. I am saying about this. So what is the meaning of this? Must. It is compulsory. It is not optional. Do you understand? For example, what is your name?
My name is Hafizul.
Your name is Hafizul. So his name is must. Because if his name I don't know, I cannot ask him. I cannot call him. Do you understand? Okay, what is your name?
My name is Nayan.
Okay, we stand up. Nine. Tell me, what is your favorite hobby?
Playing football.
Okay, if I want to play football, the football is
Must.
Do you understand what is the meaning of the must? Okay. What is your pastime activities? When you have the free time, you are watching TV, you are scrolling mobile phone, you are listening song. So my favorite hobby is to watching movie. So what is the my essential things? So mobile phone or TV
Listening.
is must. You understand? So I need television or mobile phone. This is the must. So this is the mobile phone. Okay. I want to talk with someone. So mobile phone is must. Do you understand what is the meaning of the must? So I hope you can understand it. So I am telling in English, but you can understand. This is the synonymous words, some antinomus words. Synonyms, for example, similar. What is the similar? For example, this finger and this finger, two both are fingers, but this is the similar to this one. So there is the similarity. Your name, sit down. What is your name?
My name is Zohra.
What?
My name is Zohra.
Johra. So you and what is your name?
Rabia.
Rabia. So your name is Rabia. So Rabia and Johra, there is the similarity. For example, she is wearing clothes. She is also wearing clothes. She is wearing mask and she is also using mask. So these are the similarities. Do you know what is the similar things? Similar.
Name.
You are right. So I am saying English, but you can understand. So this is my successful. You can understand it. Do you know understand? So this is the understanding thing. So similar. What is the meaning of the similar? same thing. Similar, that is same thing. Do you understand? So what is the opposite? Which is not similar? For example, the structure, this is not similar. Do you understand? So what is the meaning of the opposite?
Oven.
Yes, tell me loudly.
Oven.
Do you understand? So this one and this one is same or different? Or
Different.
this is the opposite. Different, opposite. Okay. So these are the word meanings and these are the synonymous words. So in your exam, it will be also included. This is added. Do you understand? What is the meaning of the add?
যুক্ত করা হয়।
You are right. So in your exam, the synonymous word, antinoymous words are included. That is, you have to write in your exam hall. You understand? So in the exam, you have to write. So what is the meaning of the have to? It is important. Have to means must. You understand? So you have to write in your exam. So synonymous words, these are the important. Okay, sit down. So we are saying about this thing, and if we write down this word meaning, next time when I am speaking or taking the class, I will use this word meaning. And if you don't write down on your notebook, you will forget. So you have to write down the common words which are again and again I am using. So this one, present form, past participle form. These are using again and again because it is important for making this tense. Without these forms, we cannot make this active or passive right from the verb, or you cannot produce the sentences. I am following also the structure. This basic structure: subject, verb, object, and then I am speaking. Then I am teaching. Then I am communicating with you. Do you know what is communicate? What is the meaning of the communicate? I am communicating with Naim. Naim, yes sir. So this is communicating. And Naim is saying, sir, yes. So this is communicating. And this is the language, but this is the media. For example, this is the phone. If we don't have the phone, can we call to American person from here to there? So this is the media. Do you understand? So what is the meaning of the communication? Tell me loudly.
সংযোগ করা হয়।
Yes, this is one kind of connection. This is one kind of connectivity. This is one kind of joining. So I am saying some similar words. These are the synonymous words. You understand? For example, yes, my dear friend, long ago he did not talk with me. So our communication is breakdown. So what is the meaning of the communication? Okay. This is one kind of relationship. You understand? So relation is that you are sitting beside this your friend. You don't sit beside the other's friend. So this is the communication. Your understanding is good. For this reason you are sitting with your friends. Do you know? So this is the one kind of communication. Okay. So the Bangla of the communication is you're right. So this word is similar to connectivity, connection, join. Okay. So these are etc. So first one is we are discussing about the subject. S for subject. Next one is the auxiliary verbs. This one is the principal verb and this one is auxiliary verb. So in the context of this tense, we have to find out that what is the name of this tense. Next one is the present form of the verb. Next one is ing form. Next one is this. What is the name of this part?
Object.
Good. Nice. Thank you. So we have to follow that. If we see the name of this tense is present continuous tense.
Yes, sir.
Present continuous. For example, I am walking. So this is my continuous word. I am thinking. This is my continuous thinking. Okay, I am watching or seeing. So I don't finish my seeing. I am also watching. You understand? So this is the continuous process. For example, you are eating, but you did not finish. So this is continuous. You are taking the class or you are presenting the class. This is continuous process. So what is the meaning of the continuous? Yes, loudly say.
দেখতে
You're right. So she is the correct. So tell me you, what did she say? What is the meaning of the continuous? Again, loudly tell me.
চলতে থাকা, দেখতে থাকা, পড়তে থাকা।
Okay, you tell me. Okay. Don't feel shame. Okay, this is our class. Sit down. This is our class. If you feel yes, sir, what will mind it or no? So don't feel hesitant. Okay, this is we are the friends. You and this person are all your friends. Okay, you have to make it free. Otherwise, you cannot listen or you cannot understand. You cannot learn. So learning is important for communication. When you are making the communication, I am saying, but you don't understand. After some times or some moment, you feel boring. But if I communicate you with strongly or very freely or very easily or very helpfully, then our study will be positive. Otherwise, it will be not positive. Okay? So you have to make it positive. Okay. Just listen my speech. I am saying you are listening. Do you know what is listening?
শোনা।
You understand? Okay. So you have to know that I am writing. For example, I am writing, but I did not finish. So this is continuous tense.
Yes, sir.
My work is continuous. It is not stopped. Right. You understand? Okay. So this is the name of the continuous tense. Clear? So the starter is subject. Next one is that auxiliary verb. Next one is present form of the verb. Next one is ing form. Because this verb is taking ing. Next one is object. But object is not essential. If the verb is intransitive, there is no need to object. Okay. So what is the name of this tense? What is the name? Present continuous tense. Clear? So next one, what happened? We have to make it the passive voice. Next one is, this one is active. This is the active voice. We have to make in the exam hall passive voice. So we have to follow the passive structure. So what is the passive structure? Generally, first one is what? Object or subject?
Object.
Good. So at first we will write down the object first. Next one, what happened? Auxiliary verb is there, so we have to write down same. Am, is, are. So no change. Next one, you have to write down the being. The being. That is, if you add this part, then it is finished. And we know that when it is the passive voice, always use this form. Passive voice always takes this form of the verb. What is the name of this form? Past participle. For example, here is tell. So tell is present form. Tell is present form. What is the past form? Told. This is the past form told. And what is the past participle form? Tell, told, told. So this one is the past participle form. So we write down here told. Oh sorry. The past participle form. Next one, generally we are using the passive form by. When we are making the passive voice, generally we are using by. But sometimes we can use to, with, at. In the different case, exception. Okay. And next one, subject. So now we will make it the passive voice. So what is the answer 9?
The story.
Okay, the story
And the story
is
being
told
by
our teacher. So what is the structure? The story is object because this part. Next one is. So So am, is, are. For example, here I am. You are. The story is. She is. They are. We are. You are. Understand? It is. Sometimes it are also. Next one. Being. Common. This is the structure. You have to write down every time in the present continuous tense. Being. Next one is told. Always we are using